אז יאיר, אתה רוצה לספר על זה? Okay. Yeah, so as Shai said, and I also heard Yair, you got the Dead Sea factory here to your left, which used to be at the beginning of the 20th century at the north, but they moved over here to the south part. Needless to say, it's like it's private more or less. It's controlled by the Chim Ofer, the Ofer brothers, which has like a big monopoly on that area. And if we talk with Alan a little bit about like people with a lot of money that control all the main sources, economic sources, whatever, like nature sources, with the gas at the Mediterranean Sea, or which is like the minerals that you got here, and not paying enough tax to the country that's going to the civilians, and enjoy like the major income of those things. One of the biggest problems that we have with the Dead Sea that is get dry out like every year 1 meter is like, imagine that like sweet water that are like in the aquifer underground over there, like starting like if the Dead Sea, like the salt water easy go like in a couple of years will every year getting less and less, so more sweet water are able to come, and sweet water usually have the ability to melt the rock much more easy, and this area suffer a lot from sinkholes. Suddenly the road can collapse because like the salt water that used to be above already disappear, and more sweet water that coming from the mountains that and going throughout this area managed to bring and to melt the ground, and then there is nothing to hold and everything is sinking. So a lot of time the road actually move all the time like to east because it keeps sinking. Another thing that you need to do to know that they are keep looking for ideas how to save like the Dead Sea. One of the things that they are talking about a lot and start to argue or even sign a few papers in order to begin, it's like the Red Sea, the Dead Sea tunnel. It means they want to bring water from the Red Sea, the Gulf of Eilat, throughout and to the Dead Sea. Okay, what is the problem with that?
It's just taking water from one source to another.
Exactly.
It's bringing
So
more water.
the Dead Sea is called the Dead Sea, of course. Why?
Nothing lives there.
Yeah, nothing lives there. But if you're bringing like different kind of water, no matter with a different ecosystem to a new ecosystem, you can change the whole area here. So all the green organization not really like this idea. More than that, one of the major problems that we have also that actually the border, there is like not in the border of Jordan, the natural border is on the Arava Valley, like in the Arava Valley, like valley or stream, but the delta of the mountains of Jordan keep pushing like the Arava, the stream, because there is highest mountains, more amount of rain over there that keep going like dropping on the mountains and keep pushing the delta of the stream towards our direction. And if the stream is actually the border, it means that the delta, which bring a lot of sand and a lot of erosion, keep pushing the stream west. It means that there is more place over there and less place here. So there is a lot of agreement between farmers and people who work in the Arava that actually their area and their fields are actually at the Jordan side. Probably, I hope that we'll talk about it. If not, we will continue to talk about it. But this is also a thing that's happening here also. And that's about it. That's it.